guys, welcome here in the blue planet of Abu Dhabi here in Saadiyat Island. Yes. So, ano to guys, dito hindi siya permanent. Yeah, pag winter lang yata to dito guys. Yes, you look at the surrounding is so amazing here. So, ang ticket namin guys is 11 AM. Actually, thank you to Madam Dex. Si Madam Dex talaga ang nag-book nito. Say hi guys! Hi! O, diba? Purple na purple si Madam Bush yan. Blue planet talaga. Hindi ba bawal ang video dito? Purple na purple si Madam Bush yan. O, diba? Look at Madam Bush yan. See, this is our 3 ticket. So this is the entrance, guys. Woo! Bubble Planet Express. This is the entrance. Guys, look at this! It's fake! Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Katulad niya dito here guys. While Madam Dex enjoying the playing for this. What's this, Madam Pikachu?
Rubber duck.
Ay, akala ko na Pikachu to. Rubber ducks pala to. Ang cute ni baby.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome here. Oo, naku, ang hirap pa naman tanggalin ng ano. So guys, look at Madam Dex is enjoying. Wow, ang cute. Kinay na Madam po siya. Yan guys, si Madam Dex. Ang sarap patulog dito. Makaginhawa pa ba tayo dito? Bubble Planet Experience. Good luck! Follow the light. Ang ganda ito! Grabe, it's so amazing! Woo! Wow! Nahilo ako doon sa VR guys, pero maganda naman yung experience. Nakapunta kami sa Egypt, nakapunta kami sa USA, and then the next is the following. Before anything else, I also go to the Bubble Planet Fountain. But Madam Buchan take a short video for me, not for that. So this is the next one. Kasi Madam Buchan malapit na matapos. Wow! guys, that's all for the Bubbles Planet. Na-enjoy ba kayo guys?
Yeah.
So what's the best part na na-enjoy ka, madam?
All of the above. The best part for you.
All of the above.
Answer.
All of the above daw si madam. The best part na tanong ko, you need to select one. Yeah. For me, yung light. Madam, take ang bubble.
Ako ang bubble.
Yeah. Ako ang light. Si madam po siyang maybe ang balloon kasi pink. So that's all for today's video guys. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day everyone. So we are here guys. Eating our lunch. Nagutom daw sila doon sa bubble-bubble sa padjak.
Oh, grabe effort.
Nagutom.
Umahon sa mga bubbles.
Nagutom si madam po
Cute yun,
siya.
no?
Diba? Nakatulog nga si madam po siya doon sa VR. Pati ako kasi nahihilo ako. So this is our lunch guys.
Nice lang yung madaming dayan ang order. Ay, ito. Ang in-order.
Nice, lagi ang lever. Madam, no? So that's all for today guys. Nabusog kami at na-enjoy. Cheers everyone! More collaboration to come, more gala to come. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day, and have a nice day everyone. Bye-bye, mama. From Dayan Studio, I'm Dick Star, and Busyang Eating.